All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we can see I'm up $693. We had two trades on Mew. One of them was for $269. The other one was $423, totaling up to $693. That puts us up to $51,000 on the year so far. So let's just break down the trades real quick. You can see down below here. Down below here, we had a few trades. We bought 1,000 shares at 110.95, sold at 111.18. That was at the early bell at 9:41, so we'll quickly review that. Looking at that trade here, I'm going to bring up the stock, which is right here, and going to 9:30. This is really just trading this momentum right here. As you can see, I traded at 9:41, which is this candle right here. Now, how did I know to buy there? I'm just buying at whole dollars and half dollars, and I thought 110 would be a good spot because when you go up to at 9:30, you can see on the bottom here, the clock's right here. It goes up to 9:30, blasts up from basically a 112 position all the way up to 115, starts selling off. Looked at the percentage that it was selling off, and if you really go down there to about 110.5, there's about 3.36% pullback. And what I was really looking for was just trying to see some stability here at this half dollar, 110.5. It broke the 111, sold back down, went down. So I made that trade, quick scalp. Next trade that I really want to go over is the trade I did where I bought right here, 108.8 at 11.22. And then I sold the remaining shares up here a couple hours later. So I actually bought a position, held it for 3 hours. So we bought at 11.22 and we sold at 2.20. And I'll just break down why I did that. So if you look here, you can see, let's just make this a little bigger for everybody. So I bought at 11.22. I'm going to show you on the chart. Right here I bought. And the reason I bought was because I thought that was low of day, and I was actually incorrect because I bought at 108.8 and it sold all the way down to 107.53, but I decided to hold. The reason is because you had this level of support going on. So the reason I said, okay, I'm going to try to swing this at 108, 109, thinking that right here on the previous high, we get some consolidation, which is right in this spot here, right there, and right there. It was struggling in the post market after earnings to get above that. So I figured maybe we get a nice pop there. So I decided to buy, and then I started to hold this position throughout. So I bought it around 11.22, which you can see right in this area. And then I sold all the way at 2 p.m., which is right around here. And the reason I sold was because, I was holding for the 107.53. I was thinking, okay, maybe I just cut this loss, decided to hold it. Then, because of that previous support, then what happened was VWAP. So I was like, okay, if we can get a retest of VWAP, I'll sell at VWAP. And that's exactly what I did. I sold off shares at like 110 and a little bit above that and sold off right into this VWAP here. And then it was proven to be a good move because it tried to retest the VWAP and then it just sold off. So I just want to show you just some levels that I'm looking at for MU for tomorrow. So if you just reset the chart on Webull, you can see really quickly that looking at the 5 days, we have some bullish momentum here. And just to mark these off for a second, if you just look at it in the grand scheme of things, 1 month ago, it was worth $84. Then their earnings went well. It consolidated the 95 range and blasted up to 114. But if you just look at $85 up here, you're already up 35%. That's a huge move up. So we just got to be very cautious when trading this stock that used to be $85, now at 115 to 110. What I'm looking for tomorrow is, we'll see where it goes. It's technically holding this low. If it can hold 107.58, then I think we have room to go up. I am thinking, and I'm going to be waiting, I'm going to be patient for this stock, is I'm waiting for these are quick trades. You're not buying and holding here. I want this gap fill. I want to see this pull back, break the 107 hopefully tomorrow, and come down to $100. That's the first buy that I'm looking for. So just the whole dollar, $100, try to get a bounce off of that. 100 to 101, try to get in there, pull back 6%. If we get even further pullback, I want to get the 95 to 96, which is a 10-11% pullback, and that's not going to be easy considering they had very good earnings. So, but those are the levels I'm watching. And the reason I have those levels is because right here you can see we have previous support right here. We have a touch here, support, broke it, retested at 97.98, and then it curled all the way back up and then blasted through at earnings. So what I'm looking for here is anywhere from that 96 to 98 range, but I'm going to try to take a stab at 100. If that doesn't work, then I'll take a restab back in this 97, 96, 98 region. Hey guys, if you're stumbling across this channel for the first time, be sure to check out my playlist, my investing ideas, where I'm posting this one, my trading P&L 2024, we're up 51,000, which is awesome. Long-term investments, investment for beginners, Fidelity index funds and ETFs, the long-term portfolio that we always show to all you guys, trading strategies, and just Vanguard investments, penny stocks, and Fidelity Active Trader Pro, which is what I was showing you before, to day trade, which is a free platform. I have plenty of videos on it that you can just check it out. I'll just click on it real quick just to show you. These are all videos that I've made on Fidelity Active Trader Pro. It's all free. Just watch the videos. Google pays me. All the videos are monetized, so I get a piece of the ads. And that's all I'm asking for. So definitely check out the videos. I think you'll learn something, and leave a comment in the section below.